Welcome back to my channel, and it is your girl Naturally the Uni, and in today's video we are doing a makeup tutorial. Well, mainly an eyeshadow tutorial and a highlight. That's really about it. I'm probably gonna clip everything else out, but we are doing a makeup tutorial on this eyeshadow look that I created right here. It's really simple. There's no glitter this time. We didn't really cut the crease, so it's really simple and it looks really nice, and these eyelashes just make it look even more popping. I use this to highlight, and I use these two palettes for this eyeshadow look. It's really easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'll also have a link down below for the video on this wig, because this is from my Unicorn on a Budget series. If you haven't checked that out, be sure to check that out. So far I've done gray, pink, blue, and there's more colors coming. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, so bye guys. Starting off with my eyebrows already done, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pod in shade Laying Low. The first shade that I'm working into my crease is Bone Fresco, and this is from the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm taking the shade Flutter, and I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease even more. Now taking the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going into the shade Jamila, and I'm putting this above the colors that I just put, and it's going to make it more. Brow bone, I'm going into the shade Vermeer from Modern Renaissance palette. Everything is blended properly. I'm going back into the last three shades that I used. Going into the Saharan palette, I'm using the shade in the bottom corner called Fula, and I'm putting that on the center of my lid. The shade Lula, that's right next to the shade Fula, and I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eye. Sure that Fula still pops, I'm adding a little bit more on top. To make the colors on my lid pop more, I'm going into Red Orchard, and I'm going to use that on the outer corner of my eye and right above where I put the shimmer colors. Like the inner corner of my eye, I'm using the shade Iman from the Saharan palette. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYC Liquid eyeliner. To moisturize my skin, I'm using the Badescu Facial Spray with rose water in it. Japonseque Velvet Touch Primer, and I'm using my own foundation mix. Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. Using the Sacha buttercup powder to set and to bake. Now I'm taking a clean face brush and I'm going to dust all the excess powder. To contour, I'm using the black Radiance Contour Palette. To contour my nose, I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to use Love Letter in my lower lash line. To work Juvia from the Saharan palette into my lower lash line too. Before I highlight, I'm going to bathe in my MAC Fix Bust setting spray. To highlight, I'm using Zoba from the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. For my bottom lashes, I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. For lipstick, I'm using the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shades Teddy and Embellishment, and I'm mixing the two. This is the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already.